Hello students, myself Mrs. Sonali Dinesh Gaukar. Students, since 6th standard we have been studying geography as a separate subject as a part of the course Social Sciences. We have been introduced to various concepts, processes and features related to the four spheres of the earth. To study geography, we need to develop some skills like observation, classification, comparison, graph, diagrams and map reading, evaluation, analysis, drawing conclusion and critical thinking. The format of the textbook is such that it revises the concepts you have learned till class 9. A skill comparison of the characteristic of two countries, India and Brazil, has been presented in the textbook. You will certainly like it. So, let's begin with chapter 2, Location and Extent. Few hints and the flags of two countries are given below. Using them, identify these two countries. Clues for the first one. The second largest populated country in the world, famous for spices in the world. Cricket is a popular sport here. Yes, you are right. It's our country, India. Now, clues for the second one. Famous for samba dance, known as the coffee pot of the world. Football is a very popular sport here. So, the country is Brazil. Location, extent and boundaries of India. Students, tell me how we locate exact position of India on globe. Let's recall what we have learned in previous classes. Latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary circles parallel to the equator. It is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree north or south at the poles. It is total 180 latitudes. Longitudes. Longitudes are imaginary vertical lines from north to south. Usually, the longitude means meridian of Greenwich, England, 0 degree longitude expressed in angular measurements from 180 degree west to 180 degree east. A network of lines representing meridians and parallels on which a map or plan can be represented are called graticule. So, these latitudes and longitudes can be used to specify a precise location on the earth. See, India is located in the northern and eastern hemispheres of the earth. It is located in the southern part of the Asian continent. New Delhi is the capital of India. Now observe the political map of India and let's find the latitude and longitude extent of India. India's latitudinal extent is from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and longitudinal extent is from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. It is located on 6 degree 45 minutes north parallel. From India, Tropic of Cancer passes. Location, extent and boundaries of Brazil. Some part of Brazil lies in the northern hemisphere while most of it lies in the southern hemisphere. Also it lies in the western hemisphere in the northern part of the South American continent. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. See, with the help of political map of Brazil, we will find latitude and longitude extent. The latitude extent of Brazil is 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south, and longitudinal extent is from 34 degree 45 minutes west to 73 degree 48 minutes west longitudes. From Brazil, equator and Tropic of Capricorn passes. Historical background of India. India was under the British rule for almost one and a half century. India got independence in the year 1947. Despite facing several problems like three wars, famine situation in various parts and similar issues after independence, India is a major developing country of the world. India is considered to be a global market. Because of various economic reforms from time to time, India's economic development has paced up. The proportion of youth in India's population is high. Because this forms a major part of a working population, India is looked upon as a young country. Historical background. Brazil. For more than 3 centuries, Brazil was under Portuguese rule. Brazil gained its independence in 1822. From 1930 to 1985, for more than a half century, it was under a populist military government. It has overcome global financial difficulties in the late 20th century. Brazil is seen as a contributor to economic growth of the world and important market in the future. So, in this way, today we learn location, extent of India and Brazil. Thank you.